Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this short step-by-step tutorial, we're going to show you exactly how you can add custom background music to your Opera GX web browser really quickly. So let us get started right away without further ado now, shall we? So in the first step, launch the Opera GX web browser on your PC or laptop. And there are basically two different ways how you can add background music to your web browser. The first way would be to access Opera GX music library. You can do that by clicking on that gear icon here to the left on your home screen, and that is going to take you to your browser settings. So here in your browser settings, simply use the search bar at the top and type in music, press enter on your keyboard, and that is going to take you to the music section here below. For example, background music. So click on it and access the background music options, and here below you will see the option to enable or to disable background music for your browser. So let me turn it on for demonstration purposes. So now guys, due to copyright issues, I'm not going to play that music in the background unmuted, but as you can see, it is playing in the background. We see the volume here. You may also use the audio visualizer by turning it on here. You may choose your favorite track below there, as you can see, adjust the volume by moving it slightly here to the right or to the left, or mute the music entirely by clicking on that icon. Now guys, if you'd like to gain access to more of these audio tracks, simply click on Get More here in the top right corner. That is going to take you to the GX store and to the music library there. So currently, as you can see, they feature more than 8,000 audio tracks in the background music section. So you can either use the search bar here or simply browse through their library. Select the music you would like to use for your background music. Like I will go with that one here for demonstration purposes. Click on Show Me and simply install the given audio track mod by clicking on Install Mod here. Now, the installed audio will be played in the background as background music on Opera GX. You can turn it off simply in your background music section here, or alternatively guys, simply click on Uninstall here in your GX store to remove the given background music mod. But that's the first option. An alternative would be to simply use various music providers out there, like for example Spotify, Apple or YouTube Music via Opera GX. You may do that by simply clicking on that player icon here on the left sidebar on your home screen. Click on it, select the music provider from the list below, like for instance YouTube Music, and after that simply select your favorite artist or music from that list there, or go by category, like for instance podcast, relaxing music, music for sleep, etc, and simply click on that play button here to let the given audio track play in the background in Opera GX. And that's basically it guys. Hope you enjoyed the video, got some value from it, and we'll see you next time on our channel.